The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, what happens if the victim invites a violation of a protective order in Illinois? So to understand what we're talking about, we'll go to a reader question because this provides a good example. The reader question is this. My son's ex put a no-contact order on him, but she kept calling and texting, and he answered, and now he's in jail. Can she get in trouble for calling and texting him? So there's two principles that you need to understand. First, the protected party under a protective order can't be criminally prosecuted for inviting a violation of a protective order. So in this situation, the reader's son's ex invited a violation. They called, they texted, he just picked up the phone. She's not going to get in trouble for calling and texting him. An invitation by the protected party to violate the order does not excuse the violation, is the second principle. So, you see in the example, the reader's son got in trouble for picking up the phone, and he's in jail for doing so. So, that was in violation of the protective order, obviously, and it was an excuse that she was the one calling him. So let's go into the reasoning here and why these two principles apply. The principle that the victim can't be held liable for violating the order, and the victim's invitation for the other party to violate the order doesn't excuse the violation. So first about the invitations to contact. Courts have stated that contact or invitations for contact initiated by the protected person are irrelevant to whether the order has been violated. So courts are trying to remove the excuse of invitation to violate the order by initiating contact or a perceived invitation to violate the order. So the person thinks they're being invited to violate the order, even if the victim did not intend to give that impression, or just a concocted lie about being invited to violate the order. We don't want a bunch of litigation about whether there was an invitation, whether the person thought there was an invitation. There could be fabrications of invitations to violate the order, and we don't want that to diminish the power of the protective order. So moving on to the liability of protected persons under the order, protected parties can't be held liable for violation of an order that is intended to protect them. Well, why is this? If victims could be held liable for violating protective orders that are intended to protect them, then the other party that they're supposed to be protected against could threaten, hey, if you report this violation of a protective order, I'll claim you invited me to protect it, to violate the protective order. And this would cause more victims to fail to report violations of protective order and, again, diminish the power. If victims are afraid that they might be prosecuted based on them violating the order, and we get into a he said, she said situation where both parties claim the other party violated the order, then victims may be chilled from actually reporting a violation. That's not what we want. We want to actually have these orders have strong force and effect and consequences if they are violated by the person against whom they're entered. So the bottom line is that protective orders deal with the behavior of the party against whom they were entered, not against the victim that they were trying to protect. The victim's behavior is irrelevant. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law. We have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and that helps us too. You'll be notified of our daily article and video posts, and you can also subscribe to our email newsletter that we send out once a month that will include links to our best content. You can subscribe to that by going to our website, learn-about-law.com. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.